music is addressed to my people, especially to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
Hey cousins, it's your girl Rogue. I am back again, and this is a gardening video. I actually just got a couple packages in from Amazon, and I'm like so excited. It is some of my tools. Now, y'all know your girl loves pink, so I had to get some pink tools for my garden. Currently, I use this toolbox, which was just like a Dollar Tree toolbox, and I have some of my cutting tools in there, and then my big tools are in this Dollar Tree bin also. So it's really functional and it's on my shelves. So while I'm sitting here working, I can just pull it from the shelf, and it's really, really easy. So let's get right into it. I actually have 2 packages that came in. You might hear Grant in the background. I'm on the balcony. He's on the porch right now. So I'm like super hyped to see what's all in there. Oh, the first thing to pop out. Okay. A good pink pincher. I like to pinch. Oh my goodness. Go over to Instagram. I was in Walmart. I picked up a plant because they still had them in the boxes. So I picked up one to see what it was. And as I picked it up, a piece dropped off. I feel like that was a sign that was for me to propagate. So I kind of like picked it up and put it in the basket. I mean, it is what it is, right? But this is a good little pincher, so I can pinch cutlings in there. This is it kind of helps me when I am scooping like the dirt and stuff into there. Oh, this is a blower, so it helps get all the dirt and dust off and helps me clean. Let's see. Oh, look, this is a little ticket. Now, this isn't exactly the best pink set that I can find. Well, let me rephrase it. This is the best pink set that I can find. It is very difficult to find pink tools. So if anybody knows of any pink toolkits that I can find, especially if it has like a case that goes with it, please message me on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook and let me know, because I love pink and I love gaudy things. So but these are just miniature versions of shovels that I have like over. Hold on. Okay. So these are literally just like the miniature versions of these 3 tools that I have here. So they'll just help me out in the garden, especially when I have like my smaller plants. These will come in handy instead of using the big bulky ones. I'm going to go ahead on and start putting things in my toolbox. Whatever needs to go in there can go in there now. So I'm going to leave that out. Ooh, a pink water bottle. Oh, let me see. Let me open this up, because there's something else in here, or is it just cover or information? I think it's just the information tab. And I'm going to leave a link down below and a picture on one of these sides of of my purchases from Amazon. These are not sponsored links, so if you don't buy, it's okay. But yeah, this is my little water bottle that came with it. That's cute. And it actually where I can, when I'm watering, I don't have to tilt it over. I can just press and it'll come out. These can go in the big bin. This can go in the big, this can go in the big bin. This is still just another miniature tool, especially if I'm cutting something. This is if I'm taking something out of the soil. It helps me scoop it up a little bit and pull. Oh, this I can, put my gravel or put my soil into smaller plants. Oh, they gave me 2 of those. Okay, come up. I got 2 of those. Oh, and I got a little brush if I'm like cleaning the surface or cleaning off a plant or something, I could just brush it. Now, oh, and they did give me a spray bottle. Just a regular spray bottle that I may have broken. Well, it's good. I have enough. I have much more spray bottles. What is this? Oh, they gave me some tweezers. Are these the only ones? Okay, they gave me some tweezers and a little holder, I guess, for my tweezers. Okay, okay. I'm not going to open this now, but as you can see, they're pink tweezers. Low-key, these might be good for my eyes. But the main reason why I purchased this is so that it's for you guys. So when I'm working on something or I'm repotting something, it can be aesthetically pleasing for you guys. This is a mat, a gardening mat. See how big it is? It's huge. But essentially I just take it, put it down, pinch it in the corners. Pinch it in, if it wants to stay pinched, pinch it in the corner on all four sides, and it'll make a rectangle like this one. So that is this, and I cannot wait to start using this. You may see it. I still have to finish my aloe vera tutorial, so you may see it on the second part of the aloe vera tutorial. But remember, I said that there were 2 packages. I needed some seed starters to go into the greenhouse, and Walmart. Well, I went to Lowe's first, and the seed starters I purchased there were like $3.47. Walmart, they were $2.90 something, so Walmart was a little bit better, but I didn't find out until after I purchased them from Lowe's, and I had already purchased them online. But I did go and purchase these seed starters. So they come with a 3-part compartment, 3-part seed starters. So the first part is going to be your base. And I say 3-part, it's actually a 4-part. So here's your base. So I can do bottom watering, or some people say butt chugging. And I place my seedlings in here. And then I have the cover that goes on top of here. The cover that goes on top of here, like so. And then the 4th part is, this is the best part right here. So I put this right on top of the cover, and then I can control the humidity that is in my plants. So these, I can't exactly remember how much they were. I don't have my phone next to me. But I will put the link down below, and I will put the price right here so you all can see it. But along with this, I also received doubles of pretty much everything that came in my pink package. Like, y'all, I am literally opening this for you all. So this is a black spray bottle. I have the same 3 tools again. This is a clear water bottle. And just the small tools that I received before. Just the exact same thing. Oh, wait, nope. I lied. This one came with, oh, this is a pincher. That's for my pincher. This one came with the extra set of tweezers. So it actually came with 2. One that is curved. I'll put it next to my shirt so you can see because my hand is full. One is curved and one is straight. Okay? So that's that. Thank you for coming. Join me today. I know this is a quick little video. I was just excited and wanted to share with all my cousins my recent purchase and show y'all what I got because it made me so excited. Look out for the, what is it called? The greenhouse tutorials that are coming up. We're going to do a series, and it's going to be called the Greenhouse Tutorials. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I am growing this year, and we're going to start by the plant. So you're not going to have to sit through a whole video and try to find the one plant that you want to grow. I'm going to do each plant is going to have its own video of me taking the seeds, preparing the seeds, putting the seeds in for germination, and how everything goes. So you're going to see the first video, it's me actually putting them into the soil. That's Grant calling me now. Un momento, por favor. You're going to see me putting them into the soil and starting the germination. And you're going to see when the germination starts. So like a week or two, it's going to be one video. And then you're going to see how the video or how the plant progresses in the greenhouse. And then the final video will be harvesting. So that video may take, one second, I dropped the tool. That video may take a few months to come for each plant, but they're going to come. I also have to do an update for you guys with the fenugreek. I owe that to you all. I actually owe you 2 updates of the fenugreek. Fenugreek did not do well in the end because of the frosts that we have had. They have been very bad, and I did not expect them to get as bad as they did this year, and that we would have so many in South Louisiana. But global warming, right? So that is all. Love you guys. Make sure that you find a reason to laugh and smile and come back, message me. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Love you, cousins. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us, because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.